Good morning, everybody. I'm back again. My name's Jim, and today we will be going over the Mosfet installation of the Flying Bear P902. I know I'm a little late with this, guys, but I really had to decide where I wanted it, and that took me quite a while. Of course, real life gets in the way, too. All right, so let's quickly go over what we got here, and then we'll do a stopwatch test of the heater. All right, so it's going to get a little bumpy, guys. Hold on a minute. All right, so right there, you see I have mounted the MOSFET. The white wires, you're going to say, geez, Jim, why didn't you use two different color wires? Well, Jim didn't have two different colored wires. They are labeled positive and negative. So on that, the power supply wires go obviously to the power supply, and positive and negative do matter on those wires. So keep that in mind if you're wiring a MOSFET. Okay, and you see there I do have a 12-volt fan wired directly into the input as well, just to keep that pretty cool. The red wires that you see there do go to the silicone heating pad that's sitting underneath that. And the white and black wires on the bottom, those are control wires. Those are the only ones that go to your motherboard or your MKS gen or ramps, whatever you want to call it, whatever you use. And positive and negative do not matter on those. And again, positive and negative do not matter on the heat bed. The only positive and negative that matter are going to the power supply. I know my wire is a little messy right now, guys, but I just wanted to get this video out because, like I said, I am a week behind. You'll see here, I do still have the original heat bed hooked up, although its wires are disconnected from the main board. I did splice the thermistor wire for the JST connector. I figured that was nice and easy. That way, should the silicone thing fail, I can easily pop the other one back on. So, all right, let's do a quick test here. Now we all know the old bed takes quite a while to heat up, so I'm going to notice a big difference here. And we're going to bring it up to about, let's bring it up to 75. You know what, let's bring it up to 100. If I can get it with this damn thing. Alright. And we are heating up rather fast here, guys, as you see. And I know it's a little bit of a boring video, guys, but I'm kind of timing this, so just so you guys can see the main difference here. Heats up extremely fast compared to the other heater that's comes equipped with this thing. Is it a needed upgrade? No. Is this something that I wanted? Yes, it is, because we all wait for that heat bed to heat up for a very long time. Just for reference here, guys. It's about a degree a second, pretty much. Pretty damn close to that. You see we're getting ready to encroach 75 degrees. Silicone heating pad heats up much faster. The MOSFET just takes a little load off of that board, where you don't risk, doing anything you really don't want to do over there. No magic smoke, anything like that. So I've been printing an awful lot of stuff on this printer, and all I can say is just wow. I mean, it's just fantastic. Prints when you want it to print, does what it wants to do. I just recently have been trying Simplify 3D, so some of my prints haven't come out all that well yet, but Thanks to a couple group members in our Facebook group, I do have a new FFF file, so hopefully I'll be messing around with that this weekend. I also probably will put up a couple time lapses over the weekend. You guys are welcome to check those out. Just about there. We're at 96 degrees and we are not at 2 minutes yet. We're just at 2 minutes now. Alright, so 2 minutes and 9 seconds. We are at 100 degrees, guys. So that is a huge, huge improvement. It's going to get noisy again, guys. Alright. So like I said, anything with the MOSFET, guys, you really want to make sure that your positive and negatives are positive and negative coming from the power supply. The other connections, like I said, the control wires that go to your ramps or your MKS or your smoothie wear or whatever you guys are using, positive and negative really don't matter when they're going to the heat bed connections on the control board. The only ones that do matter are the ones that are going to and from the power supply. Positive and negative coming again from the heat bed do not matter when they hook into the MOSFET. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you do, please like and subscribe. And give me a comment and let me know what you think of this. Have a great weekend, everybody. Happy making.